Hello, it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. Becky and Kathy curated a kit for me, and then for our challenge, we had to select someone to put together page kits. And I asked my husband to put together my page kits. Yep, I sure did, based on the products that Kathy and Becky sent me. And this is page kit number 2. Now let's take a look at the products that my husband pre-selected for page kit number 2. I am going to slide all these tabs over to the upper left hand corner along with that little rickrack ribbon piece. Then I'm going to slide over these circle elements that are layered vellum pieces and stitched in the middle. Then I'm going to move over these enamel hexagon shapes, and I also have heart shapes and circle pieces. Then I have these flower die cut pieces. I have 2 pink wooden buttons. I have this leftover chipboard piece that held chipboard word phrases. And then I have 2 doilies, one white and one pink. Next, you'll see the clear sticker sheets that have word phrases. I'm touching them right now. And then that pink life card that's in the upper left-hand corner, I will use that to mat my photograph of my husband cuddling with his birthday present from 2021, which is Penny, our newest miniature Dachshund. And then here are the 12 by 12 papers that he pre-selected. I used the mint paper and that pattern paper with the alpha letters as my foundation layer. Then I will mat my photograph onto that bright pink life card. Next, I bring in the 2 doilies and I layer them up and I place them underneath my photograph to the right, but that's not where they're going to permanently stay. At this point, I decide I want to double mat my photograph, so I get out that white with pink polka dot paper. I get ready to secure that little doily, the pink side up, and realize I like the opposite side. So I switched that up, and then I will move the doily over to the left side of the photograph. I really like it up here in the upper left-hand corner of this layout. Originally, I thought I was going to center it in the middle of my foundation layer. Now I'm working on my cluster in the lower right hand corner. As you can see, I'm using that empty phrase chipboard piece. I'm layering up a 3x3 card, a couple of tags. I'm going to add that rickrack that I decided I better just work on my cluster in the lower right hand corner. As you can see, I'm tearing away some of the paper layers of that chipboard piece. I will ink all the edges of the tags and tabs in the lower right-hand corner. I secure that chipboard piece using wet adhesive glue. Then I will add the flower die cut pieces over here in the lower right-hand corner. While I am just a little bit ahead of myself, be sure to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel. I will have their links listed below in the description box, along with the link to our Facebook group site. You need to go check out our Facebook group site and all the inspiration that our members create. Remember, you can play along. All you need to do is snap a photograph of your kit, upload it to the March album. Also, snap a photograph of each of the layouts that you create and upload those as well to the March album, and you will be automatically entered in to possibly win a gift certificate from Mini Kit Mondays. Now back to my layout. I am creating another cluster that's going to nestle in the lower left-hand corner of the photograph of my husband and our little miniature Dachshund or dash hound called Penny. As you can see, I am layering up 3 tabs, and then I'm going to add that vellum layered circle that's stitched down the middle and place it in the lower left hand corner of my photograph. I placed those pink wooden buttons over to the left of the cluster by the photograph, but I am going to struggle here in a minute, and I must have edited 15 minutes of video, me trying to figure out the placement of those buttons, the enamel hexagons, the little circles, and the heart. I have no idea why I struggled with the placement of these little embellishments, but in the end, I love how it turned out. Next, I added the clear word phrases, and I added strips of those word phrases underneath the photograph area and a couple above the photograph area. So while you watch me finish the embellishment of this layout, let me just go over the clear word phrases that I used. So above the photograph where we have the 2 bright pink hexagon and small pink circle, I placed a clear sticker phrase that says hashtag love this. Right underneath it, I placed never stop dreaming. And then for the clear word phrases, where I am at right now on this layout, says adulting, smile about this, love is a sweet thing. Remember this moment, XOXO. I know that you don't see all those strips yet, but you will here in a minute. And then above the strips, I am now placing 2 of those enamel hearts, one in a mint and one in a pink. Then the last thing that I do for my final touch is add Dilution Shimmer Spray in Polished Jade. And I add just a few splatters around the right side of the photograph, clustering down to my cluster in the lower right hand corner. And that completes my layout. I am so pleased how this layout turned out, even though my husband does not like the fact that I am putting this memory of him and our little miniature dash hound on YouTube. But this is in honor of him creating these page kits for me based on the products that Becky and Kathy sent. All right, I will say it again. Be sure to check out Becky and Kathy's channel along with all the inspiration over at our Facebook group site. Keep coming back. Be sure to give a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to my channel so that I am inspiring people that you and I don't know that are looking for inspiration. Get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. And here are the close-ups. And hit that notification button so you're notified every time that I am uploading videos. We will see you next time. Bye.